Hello and happy spring break. We've got a problem here that looks like something we've seen. There's an extra little bit of work we have to do at the end, but let's get right to it. I've got that integral. They say u equals cosine of 2x. So, this is u substitution. You ought to know everything up to this part. I'm going to do my substitutions, and I get this integral here, and I look for it and realize I don't see it. And you can pause, and you can copy everything down. I'm working against the clock right up there. And I realize that the closest I have is between A and C at the moment. It might be D because it has a half. But here's what I do. See, because they changed the variable for the integration, they can change the boundaries too. And here's how you do it. You take u and you just plug in the boundaries. So plug in 0 and plug in pi over 2. So when I plug in 0, I get a new boundary of 1. When I plug in pi over 2, I get a new boundary of -1. So this is my previously erroneous guess. So my new integral is -1/2, 1 to -1, e to the u, du. Oh, but wait a minute, I can't have 1 to -1, that's backwards. Well, I can flip the boundaries if I just take the negative of this integral. Okay, if I just change the sign, I can flip the boundaries, which means my answer is emphatically D. Delightful.